2018 3500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, power steering, tilt steering wheel, radio data system. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. Your new ride is just a phone call away.